गुड मॉर्निंग, सी इंडिया फर्स्ट में आपका स्वागत है। आज मैं फिर आया हूँ आईआईटी मद्रास कैंपस के अंदर। और कैंपस तो बहुत पहले से स्टार्ट होता है, लेकिन मेन जो है ये गेट मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। पहले आप ये गेट, ये दो हाथी है, ये मेन इसका सिंबॉलिक आप बोल सकते हैं। आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कुछ नया चीज़ कैंपस के अंदर का क्या क्या है। कल तो एडमिशन प्रोसेस था और कुछ नहीं। रात बारिश यहाँ बहुत तेज़ हुई थी। और ये जंगल, हर जगह बंदर ही बंदर। इंस्टीट्यूट है, आईआईटी है या बंदर है, के अंदर समझ में नहीं आ रहा। क्या कर रहे पे ढूंढ दो वो। कहाँ हम लोग जा रहे हैं खुद पता नहीं, इतना दूर है। अभी यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट होगा 2 बजे।
Just to check what is the issue. We give a lot of flexibility in our attendance process, but we also expect them to be responsible for it. If you see them missing classes, you can ask them why they are missing classes. Watch for abrupt fluctuations in performance. This is usually a sign that they are having some problem. So if they were doing whatever it is, let's say the CGPA says now what and what should we do, you have always supported them and you had some expectations based on their performance or whatever in the school days.
Happiness to look at the graduation ceremony of your kids. So that is what we are all here on with our team to ensure that your kid is in safe hands. So this is our whole.
ये डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री। ये डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, श्याम का डिपार्टमेंट है ये। वही हम लोग आज देखने के लिए आए हैं। ये क्लासरूम, सारे स्टूडेंट
you make the product. So with the solvent, you will just put it here. The solvent will be under the reduced pressure. It will go here, and your compound will remain. So whatever the purification method,
It's distillation.
not distillation, it's kind of that purification thing. So I will just show you some gels that we made. So this is like one of the gels. So this is kind of non-covalent interactions that will form some gels. So these gels we can use for like what I am focusing on, like some semi-conducting applications. So this is like some organic compound. It will be like how a gel forms. Gel means like a tridimensional network where the solvent will get trapped in the three-dimensional network formed by this compounds or something. So aloe vera is a gel, right? So aloe vera, some chemical is there. That aloe vera, that chemical is forming the three-dimensional network. In that, like the solvent water is getting trapped. So similar kind of things we are also trying here. So actually that compound we are synthesizing is a no molecular weight generators. So different types.
So you're trying to make us
So the gels can be when you are like when you are applying the drugs, it will be like a outburst. So we don't need that. That will like the release profile efficiency something like this. So but if you are loading with the gel, what will be the sustained release? So that is like very good because it will.
be a gradual release.
It's like not will be like at a time all the drug will be released like 2 hour, 4 hour. It will be slowly released. So that is like a very good application. So we are focusing on like the biological and optoelectron applications of this materials, the sensing, all the things. One of our senior is like cyanide sensing with the gel materials and all that kind of things we are looking at. Okay, I hope like something, but we are like physical chemistry students.
Okay.
So that's why our wet lab is like little bit small. We are like mainly after like and know that core synthesis is happening here. Once it is like synthesis, we will do this characterizations. So this is like the this is TCS-PC. So that is a lifetime. You know this fluorescence happens, it will go to the excitement. So where are you from?
Delhi.
Delhi.
Yeah.
Okay. So how is it in Madras?
It's fantastic.
Okay.
Very good.
What is your name, ma'am?
Shruti.
Shruti.
I am third year now in PhD
Third year.
scholar.
Third year PhD.
Here in Chennai or other side?
I'm from Kerala.
केरला ओके थैंक यू थैंक यू ये हम लोग कैंपस के अंदर की गाड़ी में बैठ के घूमना शुरू कर दिया
आपको तो है तो
तो यहाँ भी है ये रास्ता
SS.
धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का हो गया रिजाइन